Yuk, kembali lagi bersama saya John Battle. Kali ini kita akan melanjutkan karir mode Sassuolo ya. Dan kita akan menghadapi Wolfsburg di 16 besar Liga Champions ya. Sekedar informasi, saat melawan Porto kemarin ternyata kita playoff, bukan 16 besar ya. Nah ini dia playoff, kita melawan FC Porto ya. Oke, hasil playoff adalah Inter Milan lolos setelah mengalahkan Marseille. Athens menang atas PSV, PSG lawan Milan 4-2 menang, Midtjylland lawan Trabzonspor, Feyenoord lawan Bodo Glimt, dan juga Leipzig yang kalah dari Arsenal ya. Sementara Atletico Madrid menang melawan Villarreal. Dan untuk di 16 besar sendiri kita akan melihat dulu PSG lawan City, Midtjylland lawan Real Madrid, Sassuolo versus Wolfsburg, Inter Milan versus Barcelona, Feyenoord versus Liverpool, Arsenal versus Chelsea, Atletico Madrid versus Borussia Dortmund. Itu dia ya. Ya untung aja kita nggak langsung ketemu tim-tim gede seperti Barca, Madrid, atau Chelsea, Liverpool gitulah ya. Ya walaupun kita tidak bisa meremehkan Wolfsburg juga ya. Karena jelas tim kuat karena dia masuk Liga Champions. Mereka menggunakan formasi 4-2-3-1. Oke, dan selanjutnya kita akan press conference ya sama awak media, wartawan. Conor Gallagher, pemain kunci di tengah ya, dan George Doig, sayap kiri, wingback kiri maksudnya. Turati di posisi penjaga gawang, saya masih percaya sama dia walaupun saya sering marah-marah dan mengumpat ya. Cuman ya nggak ada pilihan lagi. Dan selanjutnya kita ke match day. Kita akan bermain di Mapei Stadium untuk leg pertama. Aduh, Thuram ya apa? Berardi ya. Siapa pak gantinya Berardi? Ntar saya lihat jadwal dulu ya. Saya lihat jadwal kalender. Oke, kita akan menghadapi Lazio 4 hari kemudian di Mapei, dan 2 hari kemudian Wolfsburg. Anjing, jedanya sih harusnya jeda 3 hari, terus setelah Lazio itu 2 hari ya. Ya mungkin kita akan aduh, Volpato cedera ya tadi ya sama Pras ya. Jadi kita bisa Berardi aja lah ya. Diongo Moha oke. Dan untuk ini kita akan berikan Conti, Ramos, ini aja. Yuk kita ke Mapei Stadium ya, mendengarkan anthem Liga Champions di kota Sassuolo. Anjir, Sergei Milinkovic-Savic, cok, first impression. Berarti dia baru dibeli nih dari Juventus ya, di pertengahan musim. Jendela transfer winter musim dingin. Ya, suasana dari Mapei Stadium, tempat berlangsungnya leg pertama Liga Champions antara Sassuolo dan juga VfL Wolfsburg. Oke, kipernya sama-sama gondrong. Di sini ada Michael Olise. Anjir, setelah ini lawan. Oke, kita dengarkan anthem Liga Champions dulu ya. Itu dia anthem Liga Champions. Dan kita langsung saja. Oke, berarti kan kita harus ini lawan Lazio ya. Sementara Lazio dari pertandingan sebelumnya Pak, pengalaman kita ya, itu selalu menyulitkan Pak. Apalagi kalau si Gondrong itu, si Kribo itu udah main Amsyong Pak. Oke, kita kembali ke pertandingan.
Not much came of that. Yeah, they really did look solid on that occasion. Really good defending. Marcus
Nggak
Thuram.
bisa.
Conor Gallagher.
Alah, Gallagher kok umpan ke situ, harusnya kayak Olise dong.
Plenty of support here.
Oke, Milinkovic Savic, Gallagher, Vlahovic, bahaya,
What a
shooting
commitment
kaki
to
kanan,
defending.
masih bisa diamankan oleh Murati ya. Nah gini, GG.
Well, I don't know about you, but I always enjoy it when the story is two managers facing each other for the first time.
And I like both these coaches. I hope we just see the best of their teams today.
Oh, that's an interesting pass.
Aduh,
Well, they kept their shape defensively. Job done.
shooting langsung gak harusnya. At least dapat corner kayak apa kayak. Anjir, Vlahovic nih bahaya banget, cok. Dia tinggi, sundulan otomatis oke dia.
Milinkovic Savic. Decent position.
Mana Thuram? Anjir, malah ke situ dong. Gak bisa, kita
Malo
main,
Gusto.
harus main
Well, you never quite
pelan-pelan
know
dulu
who's
nih.
going to dominate a game in advance, but I think you can
Untuk
maybe
bisa
make an
membongkar
argument for this fellow, Stuart.
pertahanan dari
What do you think
Wolfsburg
we'll see
ini.
from him today?
Gak bisa kita gerusuk kayak tim-tim Serie A lainnya, cok. Aduh, sayang sekali masih bisa diantisipasi tadi. Ini Sousa, El Karaunui, pada Wimmer,
And now
pada
with
Frank,
that,
Astor Frank. Pemain Belgia ya,
goal, but
Astor
that
Frank ya.
didn't seem to bother him.
Well, he won't strike a football much better than that. That certainly had the keeper worried.
Pascal Struijk pada Doik, Rio Ngumuha. Ntar dulu pak,
Berardi has it.
kita harus benar. Aduh,
Clever
udah
defending.
ditutup jalur passingnya pak. Astor Frank ini
Lovro
dulu kan
Maia.
pernah main di kita ya sebagai pemain pinjaman dari Wolfsburg. Cuman nggak kita pertahankan juga ya. Anjir, Astor Frank ini berarti ngelawan mantan klubnya. Woi sah, Kurati. Josh Doi kosong. Kasih dulu ke Rio. Mana nih? Aduh, ajar Ram. Anjir, si tahu selebrasi bayimu. Nah, top skor Liga Champions kan kemarin 9 gol kan pemain Porto, si Stasin itu. Ya, karena Porto gagal, Thuram berpotensi jadi top skor. Kita main santai-santai aja pak, nggak usah gerusuk gini ya, pasti bisa kok. Yuk, Thuram, 8 gol dari 11 penampilan, anjay. Ini Sousa kepada Wimmer, kepada Astor Frank, masih giring mencari pemain lainnya. Bahaya, waduh, gocek ya. Bahaya, oke. Rio cari tempat, nggak bisa. Mundur dulu aja. Pascal Struijk pada Bang Jai,
Malo Gusto.
Moisekin,
Pass and justifiably so. Domenico Berardi. Oh, could be.
hajar lagi. Anjir, Rio Ngumuha kurang ke tengah itu pak. Oke, Bang Jai kasih ke Pascal ya. Nggak bisa.
Jades is
Well, they're playing some really good football here, and these fans are driving them on.
Aduh,
defensive
salah.
play to be applauded.
Terlalu banyak giring saya pak. Oke, babak pertama ya. Skor sementara 1-0 untuk keunggulan Sassuolo. Langsung kita resume pertandingan babak kedua.
Well, as they get the ball rolling again, interesting to see how the second half pans out.
Dari Ngumuha. Santai dulu pak, santai kawan.
Conor Gallagher.
Nah, nggak bisa nih.
Domenico Berardi. Now with Olise. Gallagher. Decent idea.
Aduh,
Nicely timed tackle.
sayang sekali cor. Tapi Rio Ngumoha sih crossingnya lumayan lah ya. Cok Olise, cok sayang sekali. Dia finishing udah bagus tapi saya nggak punya speed ya.
Sassuolo recovering
Speednya kayak
possession well.
Rio Ngumoha sih mantap sih.
Well, it's just about a case of wall-to-wall football live with us here on
Duh,
EA TV.
kurang support.
I'm sure
Terlalu
we'll be with you for
rapat
this
tadi
game
pemainnya.
coming up.
I'm really looking forward
Olise
to it.
kehilangan bola.
Always a great atmosphere in that stadium, and it should be
Wimmer.
an entertaining match.
Gallagher.
Attacking with vigor.
Mana lo? Oke, masih gocek-gocek.
Intercepted at the right time.
Nggak bisa bos.
Well read.
Oke,
Conor Gallagher.
Rio Ngumoha. Sprint.
Domenico
Ntar dulu.
Berardi.
Nah. Aduh, udah ditutup nih.
Can he finish?
Alah, anjir. Cepet amat cok, ketutup cok.
And the
Okay.
pass deftly cut out.
Salah anjir. Salah. Aduh,
Catching first half display by Marcus Thuram. What did you make
terlalu
of what
cepat.
you saw from him?
Terlalu cepat saya
I thought he had a really
pencet
effective
R2 ya.
Not
Harusnya
only
pas
did he
sudah
get the goal
pegang
to
bola
get
tadi.
the lead, but his general play was really good. He was a constant threat, and I'm sure
Bahaya.
Opportunity.
Anjir, hampir
It
cok.
was a chance to get them level.
Yeah, that could prove to be a really
Menit 66,
important miss.
ntar menit ke 70-an lah ya kita ganti pemain.
Milinkovic Savic. Well, they're moving it around with real purpose here.
Alah, anjir terlalu deket sama pemain lain loh.
Another live match from the Bundesliga coming up soon on EA TV. It's Wolfsburg
Sayang
against
sekali Pak tadi Pak.
Augsburg.
Gusto. Bayangi Gusto. Doik. Aduh, Doik.
Well, he would have been disappointed had he spilled that one.
Ngawur berat.
Pascal Strand.
Nah, Rio Ngumoha.
Well, we're inside the final quarter of an hour now.
Aduh.
Thoughtful play.
Oke, kosong. Aduh, lemah banget Pak nendangnya Pak.
And Sassuolo come away with it. And
Alah,
And that's comfortably gathered.
at least corner lah. Terlalu lemah cok nendangin cok. Milan Savic kalau tendangan kurang ya, bagusan si Gallagher. Tapi kalau sundulan sih GG sih.
And now with Franks. And very nicely positioned to win it back. Oh, could be an
Bris.
opportunity here.
Anjir lah.
And a real
Turan kok pas tengah sih. Alah, Doik. Selalu ente tuh cok.
Oh, they have it again.
Nggak bisa nih.
It's down to the final 5 minutes. Marcus Thuram.
Wah, anjir cok. GG sih kipernya. Alah, nggak ada pergantian pemain kah? Anjir lah.
Dusan Vlahovic. Could catch them on the break.
Nah, good job.
Well, unfortunately, it fizzled out in the end. Well, just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages here.
Alah, prit. Anjir, nggak ada
Full
pergantian
time
pemain
now,
ya.
and the home
Untung jedanya 4 hari Pak. 7 shot Domenico Berardi man of the match. Madrid, City, Munchen menang.
Just a couple of questions for you.
PSG kalah berarti. Marcus Thuram.
Thanks very much for speaking.
Moise Kean bisa main. Kita di posisi ketiga sekarang. Formasi 4-3-3. Guedonzo itu pemain paling menyebalkan ya. Tentunya kita harus inilah ya apa? Mengistirahatkan beberapa pemain kita ya. Aduh, Pras nggak mungkin main. Jadi El Kabar, Circati boleh ganti Jayces lah. Si Ramos, Matic kah atau Conti? Conti aja lah. Riyongo Moha, Sergei Milinkovic Savic, Gusto, nah. Oke. Ini aja ya, Mapei Stadium. Lagi-lagi Pak. Ini kalau pertandingan asli nggak mungkin Pak. Soalnya kita kan main 2 hari kemudian kita main ke Jerman away lagi. Sedangkan jarak Jerman dan juga Italia ya lumayan lah. Bisa sih ditempuh dengan kereta atau pesawat lah pastinya ya. Walaupun jaraknya nggak terlalu jauh, tapi 2 hari Pak kita away lagi. Perjalanan terus
What are you expecting to see?
Well, as is always the case, both teams will look to control the centre of the pitch.
Wait, sah. Pelanggaran lah, Bos.
And probably the game. This is going to be key, I think, today.
Aduh. Gak bisa, kita main santai aja kayak tadi.
Milinkovic Savic. Promising possession this. Can they do it?
Anjir. Aduh, Sergei nggak dapat lagi. Bus kabar.
And so for the Sassuolo starting lineup.
Well, it's a 4-5-1, but with 3 of the midfield players giving close support to the centre forward, and the other 2 sitting deeper. Also, watch out for the fullbacks getting forward at every opportunity. They
Alah.
like to get crosses into the
Anjir. Saya umpan ke apa?
Well, there's been a boatload of
Kekin loh.
speculation surrounding him ahead of the game.
Rovella.
Believe the stories coming out of the camp. This could be his final
Boni.
season. Could he be thinking about hanging up his boots?
Yeah, if the rumours are correct, it's going to be a big loss for the club. They've come to rely
Ini
on
nggak bisa nih.
performances. We all get to that age where it all becomes a little bit harder on the body. He's starting to
Ayo,
get to
ingat.
that age, so I wouldn't be too surprised.
Alah, mana sih Sloane? Anjir, malah ngedok di situ sama si babi itu. Astaga.
And a lot to like about this attack. Thuram.
Aduh, Thuram gagal terus
The attack breaks down.
lawan Jiku. Ini nih sih harus gini nih. Attack. Nah, gini aja.
Throw in.
Gusto.
Milinkovic Savic. Kone.
Nggak bisa.
And the ball with Milinkovic Savic.
Alah,
A really single-minded piece of
Kebaca
defending
lagi.
to make sure nothing untoward happened.
Rovella. Pada dia. Pada Belayani. Guedunsi. Kribo.
Nicolo Rovella.
Edi Brokoli itu harusnya. Mirip-mirip kan rambutnya.
Fine build-up play.
Bahaya cok pemain itu. Walaupun posisinya gelandang tapi ngeri sedap. Oke, Gusto.
Oh, I thought they were onto something there.
Well, that was a really excellent piece
Weh.
of defending there.
Thuram ngapain sih? Muter-muter situ aja si bujang ini.
Rovella.
Kita sering lost control bola Pak.
Marks for their passing.
Sayap kanan kita sebenarnya ya nggak terlalu
And just like that, they don't
yang
have the ball
gimana.
anymore.
Kurang aja.
Guadio Kone. Now look at this.
Aduh, Olise malah situ lagi.
Can he give them the lead?
Ya ampun, terlalu
Yeah, it stays level, but that was a
Buru-buru
real
kah?
opportunity.
satu kali sentuhan lagi masih bisa sih itu. Anjir, kipernya Agribazala siapa tuh?
Just looking to keep their shape, it seems.
They have to
Aduh,
pass up the pitch.
Thuram lagi-lagi nggak jelas positioningnya. Anjir lah.
Nicolo Rovella.
Duh.
Dia.
Milani, pada Belayani, ada Kribo.
Matteo Guendouzi.
Kribo masih mencari teman. Ada Milani,
Possession.
ada Zaccagni, Belayani ke Kribo.
Guendouzi
Kribo mencari-cari ke dia.
No way through. Counter-attacking possibilities.
Nah, udah lari aja. Hajar. Wih, Greenwood. First goal kah dia? Atau second goal? Oke. Terserah. Oke, 1 gol ya dari 10 penampilan. Lumayan lah untuk pemain akademi kita ya. Apalagi dia pakai kaki lemahnya loh, pakai kaki kanan. Ini nih. Ini masih mending Greenwood daripada Sloane, Pak. Sloane nggak bisa kayak gitu-gitu. Punya apa ya? Punya apa namanya? Kemauan untuk lari sprint gitu nggak ada, Pak. Sprint running behind gitu nggak ada, Pak. Benar-benar stay di tempat nih dia ini. Oke, babak pertama telah habis ya. Skor 1-0 untuk keunggulan Sassuolo atas Lazio. Kita main sabar-sabaran aja ya. Belayani kepada Kribo. Kembali lagi Belayani, ada Rovella di situ. Rovella masih mencari, masih menggiring. Ada yang namanya Kribo. Kribo kepada salah. Dia bahaya dia. Ya ampun, Turati. Sumpah ini kalau saya jadi extend musim keempat saya jual nih, Cok. Saya beli kiper yang GG lah. Bukan yang kayak gitu, nggak guna, Cok. Menurun banget performanya. Atau mungkin saya akan beli kiper baru. Turati ini biar main di Coppa Italia aja lah. Menurun banget, Cok. Musim lalu padahal GG loh. Ya ada sih penyelamatan, cuman nggak se-GG musim lalu lah. Alah, Greenwood sama Olise malah di situ dong. Olise padahal perintahnya itu shadow striker loh. Bahaya kan. Nah, kabar nih lagi on fire ya. Bahaya Bar, bentar Bar. Moise Kean, Olise. Alah, kelamaan anjing. Loh, Sergei Milinkovic nih sama Kone harus diganti, Pak. Good job. Alah, kontrol bola aja nggak bisa si kintil anjing ini. Aduh. Gak percaya. Ayo, alah. Umpannya kayak tai, Cok. Alah. Ganti pemain anjir lah. Rovella. That's a nice ball. And it did look threatening, but the keeper is happy to claim it. Turam kalah. Sundulan dong. Menit 70 Cok, harus ganti anjing. Aduh. Aduh. Bahaya.
Oh, that's a fine-looking pass. Opportunity. Well, it didn't work for the
Aduh,
keeper.
tadi nempel semua deh.
Kone. On to Olise.
Offset kah?
Well,
Anjing lah. Duh, Milenkovic Savic ini nanti bisa main gak ya? Si Burger aja lah. Guingat biarin terus Gumoha lah ya. Maturam, Berardi. Oke.
able to bend his run offside.
Anjir, imbang lagi gara-gara tolol Turati nggak bisa mengantisipasi, cok. Itu yang Gumoha, cok.
Huge chunk of added time.
Kira sloan
1
nih.
minute.
Alah, banci, cok, anjing lah.
Nicolo Rovella on the attack as there to be late excitement. And whipped into the box.
Weh,
And
siapa itu? Pas
in the nick of time.
kontol.
And the referee brings this contest to an end. It certainly was pulse.
Juventus menang.
Anzitutto la ringrazio per aver accettato di rispondere alle nostre domande.
Olise sih kurang sih ya untuk sayap. Untuk pemain di tengah pun nggak sebagus Berardi juga, Pak. Ntar kita Serie A kita peringkat berapa ya? Peringkat ketiga, 58 poin. Anjing, Napoli 74 dong, satu kali kalah, cok. Kita juara sih susah ya. JICS Oke, lawan Wolfsburg di leg kedua Liga Champions. Kita akan bertandang ke Jerman ya. Mereka menggunakan formasi ya sama. Cuman sepertinya mereka kehilangan atau kekurangan ya ini apa? Staminanya menurun karena jadwal padat ya. Kapitan C, oke, bodo amat. Press conference.
Thank you for your patience. We'll start taking questions now.
Thuram, Berardi, Bang Jai, Oh, kita save dulu lah, ya kan? Nah, match day langsung. Berapa hari? Anjir sebulan ini sama aja, Pak. Kita nggak bisa bawain mereka berdua ini ya. Ramos, Sloane, Santoro kah? Poli. Oke, mainkan aja gini. Mantap. Match day di Stadion Wolfsburg Arena.
A real sense of tension. Nothing feels certain.
Ini harusnya sih otentik. Stadion di Jerman itu rata-rata otentik. Kalau nggak salah mereka kerjasama dengan eSport.
A wet night in store for all concerned. Good evening and welcome. I'm Derek Ray and I'm joined for expert
Ima
analysis by
hunger,
Stuart Robson.
selalu
And it's the
lapar.
Champions League
Ima
round
itu
of 16,
always
second leg.
hungry. Oh, Ima hungry. Hungry itu hungry, artinya lapar itu dalam bahasa Jerman. Ima hungry. Ya kan, saya bisa Pak bahasa Jerman. Ya, wie geht's dir? Wie heißt du? Wo wohnst Sie? Ini bisa lah. Kita familiar sama Jerman kan. Yuk, Anthem Liga Champions. Anthem Liga Champions ya.
Look at the starting 11 for Wolfsburg.
Ya saya cukup familiar dengan bahasa Jerman ya. Immer hungrig. Yuk,
Yuk,
kick off babak pertama. Vini
Vini
Sousa lagi-lagi ya. Agregatnya 1-0. Kita jangan terpancing dengan permainan agresif mereka ya. Mereka tampil agresif sekali di kandang. Bahaya Vlahovic. Wih, sumpah pak. Ayo Turati kerja. Santai dulu.
Nggak
usah. Kalau nggak bisa gitu ya jangan paksakan ya. Bisa.
Domenico Berardi. Gallagher.
Nggak bisa pak. Ntar.
Well, moving the ball impressively here.
But they need to find that extra bit of guard.
Crossing opportunity. Well, besides the shoot.
Wah anjir, tendangan Berardi masih melebar dong. Oke, Grabara.
Well, a debut match for
Kalau duel udara sama dia
and we know that he can be a very dangerous customer. What do you expect
aman
to
lah
see
ya.
from him?
Well, he's been brought to the club to add some much needed firepower.
Nggak bisa, nggak bisa.
Hopefully he can open his account today. He needs to get off to a good start here.
Aduh, Olise.
Defending.
Terlalu jauh bolanya ya.
Sitting off them
Weh.
for now.
Alah anjing selalu loh.
Kangin Lee.
Puki emang cok. Ryerson.
Moving it nicely in search of a leveler.
Oke,
Very good.
mundur dulu.
There's the penetration.
Ada Milinkovic Savic. Nggak bisa, bentar dulu.
Milinkovic Savic.
Bentar dulu.
Gallagher. In a decent position. Straug. Olise. Berardi has it.
Alah, sumpah loh. Rapat banget cok. Rapat cok.
Vlahovic.
Nggak bisa kayak shot on power atau ruang tembak tuh nggak ada cok. Lekang in kah?
Opportunity here.
Ya Allah, Turati.
A significant one.
Itu gol baik sih, keren sih Lekang in
Just
tuh.
can't divide these two teams. An extra time, a real possibility.
Turatinya tolol juga
Lovely
anjing.
technique, as you can see. He just wraps his foot around the ball and bends it beyond the keeper. That's a good goal.
Bahaya nih satu-satu cok.
Conor Gallagher. Nice sequence this.
Wisa.
Oh,
Anjir.
Such a close tie. They just need to make the most of these set pieces.
Pas tengah, pas kiper cok.
and over it comes.
Wisa.
Terrific agility.
Wanjir.
That's a great reaction. So
Alah. Aduh, kurang kenceng sidik ya. Oke, ini dia supporter Sassuolo. Maksudnya tendangan cornernya ya kurang kencang sedikit. Anjir, Ryongu Moha ya. Nah, Ryongu Moha menang duel pak. Sering walaupun. Aduh, Thuram nggak bisa meloloskan diri dari pemain lain kah?
Domenico Berardi. Opportunity.
Alah, offside anjir.
Disallowed. You can see why. Offside, Stuart.
yeah, and I think he knew as well. Immediately looked over his shoulder to check for the linesman.
Conor Gallagher. Aduh,
Element of risk there.
Ma.
On the ball. And 1 minute of stoppage time has been added on. Gallagher.
Ya ampun,
The pass isn't going to work.
kedorong pemain lain kah? Oke, babak pertama ya, skor 1-0. Yang penting itu kita tengahnya menang, Pak. Jadi kita distribusi bolanya ke depan gampang ya. Alah, Berardi. Bis naik gaji kok.
Just used his strength there.
Ngawur.
Strong but fair tackle.
Loh, tenan kan? Nggak bisa. Kita nggak bisa main gerusa-gerusuk kayak gitu. Kita main pakai pola, Pak. Santai. Bola kaki ke kaki. Nah,
Berardi has it.
nggak bisa.
Well, a big
Dipotong
bonus
dah
in
itu
the
jalur
match for
passingnya
you to
tadi.
look forward to here on
Olise.
EA TV. It's Wolfsburg facing Hoffenheim.
And what a game that will be. Two good teams in a great state.
Wih, Olise. Mahal, Bung. Gol dari orang Olise, umpan dari kakaknya ya, Marcus Thuram.
Well, here you can see what a good goal this is. He hits it so
Boom, langsung balik badan.
has no chance.
Wih.
Great strike.
Ini nih yang perlukan dari Olise ya, mainnya kayak Robben, Cok. Meskipun di real life dia sekilas mirip Arjen Robben, Cok. Finishingnya gila, akselerasinya gila. Cuman saya nggak tahu kalau di real life itu dia speednya itu maksudnya apa ya, lebih kencang daripada di game ini atau gimana. Kalau di sini nggak terlalu punya speed ya, Pak.
Karuani.
Kalau di real life harusnya ada lah speed ya.
Wimmer. Well, this looks really productive. What can they do from this position?
Nah,
Good work from
ini nggak
Sassuolo
bisa
to
nih,
win it
gini
back.
dulu. Nggak bisa nih. Wacah hampir.
Nico Berardi. Now with Thuram. Lovely tempo to this passing sequence.
Yeah, they just seem to know where the next pass is, don't they?
Decent chance.
Anjir.
Oh, brilliant goalkeeping.
Wah, Lekang In diganti.
To go to the bench at this stage of the game. He's driven in the corner.
Wacah. Aduh, Doi nggak guna banget kalau untuk sundul menyundul, Cok.
Well, it should be a top-notch match from Serie A, the one we've got coming up on EA TV. It's Sassuolo up against Napoli. A really good pass.
Wacah.
He read the
Kecuri.
situation defensively.
Ntar
Good
dulu.
job. Marcus Thuram. Playing with a flow and intensity.
Alah,
The defending.
nggak lari, malah larinya nanggung, Cok.
20 minutes remaining now.
Aduh,
Well, play getting a bit
empuk kan
down
posisi.
in field. Distributing it well. Electing to cross
Weh.
to the centre.
Kontol kemana? Back kita ini. Stroik sama Doi.
You just can't divide these two teams. An extra time, a real possibility.
Si Doi juga ini jual aja, Cok. Kalau aku extend jadi pelatih nih, Cok.
Milinkovic
Gak
Savic.
guna.
Minutes left for play. Chance to do damage.
Ajaran. Cek tahu Ram. Anjir, selebrasi puih lagi loh. Anjir, operannya siapa itu tadi ya?
Goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the
Yang
shoulder,
maksudnya yang
but he's
ngoper ke
still got
Gallagher.
so much work to do.
Si Olise kah?
Just look at the strength he shows to hold off the defender and still get his shot away. That's a really good
Anjir,
finish.
operan dari Olise apa Berardi ya? Itulah.
The 4 goals between them so far.
Ya ampun, offset.
But it will not stand.
Tipis sekali itu harusnya.
Stewart.
Ganti pemain dulu. Berardi kita kok Berardi? Jangan Berardi, cok. Guingat masuk ya. Olise ini stamina ngkis-ngkisan, cok. Sikone Bang Jai. Conti main kah? Conti main anjir. Right foot sini bisa. Berapa nih? Udah 5 lah ya.
Well, it looked close, didn't it? He certainly thought
Main
so.
10 menit
He's
oke
making
lah.
that into the linesman now.
Olise keren, cok. Man of the match kah kali ini?
Olise. He's in.
Ajar Lis. Wah, anjir, press, cok.
And it should be the goal that gets them through.
Anjir, kok selebrasi ini terus ya? Sama adik bungsunya itu. Adik ketiga sama adik
Well,
keempat
let's take
selebrasi
another
bareng.
look. Wow, he hits this so cleanly. Absolutely no chance for the keeper. It just had too much pace on it.
Akhirnya, bro. Agregat 4-2 ya. Sementara kan belum berakhir, bos.
Well,
Menit
neutrals are getting
83.
their money's worth. 3-2 in this match.
Kiri ungu Moha main full lah ya.
Arnold. Oh, nice ball over the top.
Woi, ngawur anjir si Santoro, cok. Siapa Conti kok Santoro?
Throw in for Wolfsburg. Patrick Wimmer. Oh dear, up a dead end. It was promising.
Really good defending there.
Michael Olise. So 2 minutes of stoppage time here. And good vision.
Walah,
And saw the situation developing.
Vlahovic nggak bisa bergerak ya. Oke.
The travelling fans are full of the joys because they
8 besar ya. Gol dicetak oleh Olise 2 gol dan juga satunya dicetak oleh Marcus Thuram kah? Iya, Marcus Thuram 1 gol. Anjir, match fact. Kita unggul dari segala lini ya. Marcus Thuram anjir 9,6, 1 gol 1 assist. 1 assist Gallagher dan 2 gol dari ini Olise. Turati si Puki nih. Tahu lagi. Oke. Bayern City sama Madrid lolos seharusnya. Ini dia. Agregat 4-1 ya, Manchester City, sementara Real Madrid agregat 4-1 juga. Barcelona menang dengan agregat 2-1 atas Inter Milan. Liverpool kalah melawan Feyenoord agregat 3-3, namun penalti dimenangkan oleh Feyenoord dengan skor 5-4. Arsenal membantai Chelsea ya dengan skor 6-2. Borussia Dortmund kalah agregat 3-2 dengan Atletico Madrid. Dan lawan kita selanjutnya kita akan lihat nanti ya di kalender ya. Domenico Berardi.
Thanks for speaking to us.
Oke. Mana nih? Nah, apa nih? I was disappointed. Dah, kan dimainin tadi. Oke. International Duty, Job Opportunity, Match Reschedule, Turnamen Prize, Sassuolo Roma ya. Dan kita akan melihat dulu lawan kita di 16 besar Liga Champions. Kita akan melawan Real Madrid, cok. Raja terakhir. Oke. lawan Madrid. Dan kita selanjutnya akan melawan Napoli, cok. Anjir, ini kita harus, gak ada alasan apapun kita harus mengalahkan Napoli ya. Mereka mau formasi 4-2-2-2. Oke, bisa harus press conference terlebih dahulu. Biar tentu saja siap ya. Apalagi Doik, Berardi, itu. Oke. Kita save dulu. Kita akan melakukan training ya, khusus untuk melawan Napoli ini. Training finishing lah, bisa dikatakan. GG finishing kita, cok. Kontrol bola. Nah, GG lah. Crossing dari Olise. Duh, kok gitu ya sundulannya ya. Aduh, terlalu kencang. Tapi ya namanya Gallagher pasti bisa lah mengatasinya. Wih, anjir. Waduh. Wah, Turati di latihan GG gitu-gitu, Pak. Ntar pas main blow on. Jadi Moha gini. Oke, kita akan mainkan beberapa main nanti ya. Jika bisa. Oke, kita akan menuju ke Stadio Diego Armando Maradona ya. Ini harusnya stadion otentik sih. Kalau stadion otentik berarti mereka kerjasama dengan eSport ya. Ntar kita lihat animasinya dulu ya. Stadion otentik nih Pak. Stadion Diego Fabregas. Tuh ada anthemnya juga. Nah, kalau stadium ini autentik Pak. Kalau stadium apa generik atapnya nggak seperti itu. Ini pun settle ban-nya ya mirip dengan Diego Armando Maradona Stadium ya, warna biru gitu. Ya, mendukung Napoli di kota Naples, cok. Kita away ke Italia bagian selatan ya. Langsung aja kick off babak pertama melawan sang pemuncak klasemen.
This is how the Napoli team looks.
Yeah, it does look like a 4-4-2. Out of possession, I'm sure they'll stay compact.
Pascal Struijk.
They'll shift across the pitch together, but when they go forward, the central strikers are going to be key to hold the ball up while waiting for runners.
Marcus Thuram. That's a nice forward thinking.
Offside anjir.
But the offside flag has gone up. That's really frustrating for them.
Tipis tuh harusnya. Nah, badan. Si ini jual berarti ya di Lorenzo ya. Soalnya Wesley cok yang main di kanan. Anggisa tetap lah, Anggisa, Højlund, Lukaku, Buongiorno. Terus siapa? Mantan pemain MU itu? Nah, ini Højlund ya. Aduh, bahaya juga Højlund ya. Kayuste. Anguissa.
Read the pass well and cuts it out. They've been on the wrong end of this fixture of late, and that really needs to change.
Anjir, bisa dicuri dong dengan oleh Wesley dong. Gigi juga Wesley ya.
It's a lovely ball. There might be something building now.
Bang Jai,
Milinkovic-Savic.
Sergei Milinkovic-Savic, Olise.
Conor Gallagher.
Anjir, mereka mainnya ngepres, Cok. Emang saya takut.
Marcus Thuram.
Wah, anjir, Wesley, Cok. Kuat, Cok, sumpah.
Yeah, really well organised off the ball.
Orion Gumoa susah sih, bakalan susah sih ngelewatin dia.
That's a good pass.
Kayuste,
Promising move.
Anissa.
Now what happens from here?
Kayuste. De Bruyne tuh udah dijual apa masih di sini ya?
Stanislav Lobotka.
Gallagher, Lobotka,
That set up the chance.
McTominay ini maksud saya McTominay, Pak.
Oh, gone for it.
Oke, GG.
Without any trouble.
Kabar dulu. Kintil doi itu kosong anjing. Tuh kiper kok tololnya minta ampun loh.
Marcus Thuram. It's decent, making progress here.
Ajar. Wah, anjir.
Oh, excellent work.
Alah.
A promising looking attack.
Oh iya, Rahmani tetap ya, Lobotka.
Romelu
Lukaku anjing. Oh, 4-2-2-2-2.
Not forcing the issue, moving the ball nicely.
Asah,
Yeah, looking sharp at the minute. It's all about timing now.
Anissa jadikan saya berarti, Pak.
For the lead now.
Us, itu aja nggak ketangkep sama si Gondrong loh.
Easy connects with it.
Memang kebangetan, Cok, si Gondrong ini.
So unfortunate not to
Udah
score
melebihi
there.
batas, Cok.
Domenico Berardi. Promising looking ball.
Alah, kontrol apaan itu?
Won the ball. Romelu Lukaku.
Kita tengah kalah telak, Pak.
Lobotka. Jens Lys Kayust. High tempo, hypnotic football.
Di pertemuan pertama itu kita menguasai walaupun kalah ya. Di pertandingan kali ini mereka
Deceptive, great reading of the game. Domenico Berardi. Marcus Thuram. Oh, who wants that one? What a chance here.
Anjir,
What a
siapa kipernya? Diogo Costa.
Talk about the
Anjir tuh Olise harusnya ya.
then. It's such
Duh,
close
kita
range.
umpan
That's
aja
a
jebol
brilliant
itu, Pak,
save.
harusnya, Pak. Aduh,
And the ball
alah,
comes in.
kebanteran, Cok.
He's got to clear his lines now.
Milinkovic-Savic jadi nggak dapet kan. Ya, Pak, pertama 0-0. Resum lah.
Back at it for the second half. Still all square, but for how long?
Anjir, Thuram ngapain di sini?
Kayust.
Kayuste. Ini Kayuste pengganti De Bruyne ya.
Anguissa. Oh, that's really well cut out.
Yeah, it's great awareness that. Positioning was spot on there.
Aduh, Cok. Sumpah si Wesley ini ngeselin banget, Cok. So asik si Puki ini.
Romelu Lukaku. Here's McTominay.
McTominay. Aduh, lama.
With a change in possession.
Olise maju napa?
Do we have more coverage from Serie
Ah,
A?
ini lolos nih.
The ATV has Napoli faced through.
Anjing.
Standing stop from an
Gak bisa dong, ini kipernya sih yang GG. Diogo Costa
They're
kan?
so good on the break, aren't they?
Kita beli kali ya.
Finish it this time.
Gantiin si Gondrong ya.
Kayust.
Olise, good job.
Working hard to win it back there.
Gak bisa. Weh, kemana nih tengahnya?
Michael Olise. And into the last 30 minutes now.
Alah, terlalu
He was
kencang,
trying
bos.
to ball over the top, but just a little too much on it in the end.
That was close. It was a decent effort. Good vision, just too much on it.
Anissa.
Lukaku. Closed it down well.
Alah.
Michael Olise. Olise. Milinkovic-Savic. On to Gallagher.
Allah, anjing si Wesley anjing. Penasaran cok, beli aja apa ya? Wesley Kintil. Allah, Bang Jeng ngapain maju? Maju weh.
Hopefully received. Gallagher.
Gak bisa.
On to Gallagher. Now Milinkovic-Savic. Starting to get interested here.
Turam.
Ref has seen that as a foul.
Dari siapa nih tendangan bebasnya? Paling gigi. Olise. Wah, masem.
Well, he didn't miss by much. Fantastic
Kenceng banget ya.
particularly from that sort of range.
Well, I thought it'd be coming into the box. Takes a lot of confidence to try that. He's not rewarded on this occasion, though.
Anguissa.
Ya ampun, Struik. Doik kemana? Kok tolongnya kok kebangetan sih Doik ini anjing.
That's just massive. Really sharp goalkeeping.
Romani. Stanislav Lobotka. Lovely possession football. Can they find the final pass? Only 5 minutes to go. They can't be separated just yet. This looks really good. Could we see a winning goal? It's to win it. Can you believe it? With so little time left, surely that will be the winner. Stunning scenes here.
Kasih paham Turam. Lawan kita pemuncak klasemen lah. Dengan 1 kali kekalahan.
Well, you could see this coming. They did a great job of moving the ball, pulling players out of position, and then when the space did open up, they punished them. It's a really good team
Cok,
goal.
pantesan mereka juara Serie A ya kalau mainnya kayak gini ya. Kuat cok, sumpah. GG ini. Undaf, Hoylund.
Not long left to hang on to this
Duh,
lead.
Pak, pergantian pemain kah?
White.
Sabar, santai. Kita main aman aja, main aman. Defend. Defend, counter attack. Oke.
Ben White. Anguissa. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover.
Main-main. Mampus kau, ku mainin anjing.
Milinkovic-Savic.
Olise. Oke.
Final whistle.
Napoli berhasil mengalah. Kita berhasil mengalahkan Napoli di Stadion Diego Armando Maradona ya.
Really hard fought.
Anjir, fabrikasi taktiknya ini. Berardi cok, lagi cok. 5 shot loh, unggul loh. Secara statistik loh.
La ringraziamo per aver accettato di parlare ai
Oke, Olise. Berardi. Gelo. Asisnya kepada Thuram ya. Oke, pertandingan melawan Napoli tadi pertandingan terakhir di episode kali ini ya.
È tutto.
Dan sebelum saya akhiri, kita lihat dulu apa ada berita. Gak ada, oke. Langsung saja kita akhiri. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Dan akhir kata saya ucapkan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampai berjumpa di episode selanjutnya. Let's go.